What's going on, everybody? Sorry for not making a video lately, but it's okay. We need to reach this 500 subs and then move to 1,000 this year. It's taking too long, but it's okay. So anyway, quick update. I am stripping the Gia, the race car, just a couple parts off of it. Got to do some things, and then we're gonna go to the shop. I have a bunch of other new cars. We'll go over the website again, and some really fun stuff going on. So let me show you what I got going on here. All right, so the engine's back out, as you can tell. I took it back out. I bought some chromoly piping. There's one there and there's another box there. There's the engine over there. So what we're gonna do is, Julian, the welder tomorrow, we are gonna support this. I call it a cradle, cage, whatever it is around the engine. This is actually gonna be supported to the engine also. Still trying to figure out if I'm gonna do it right here or just right here to the mount, to the existing motor mount location on the engine. So we are gonna support this because this will twist. If it is connected to the engine, it will twist either way. So we're gonna support it. So I'm gonna put I think we're gonna go this way. There's gonna be a pipe that's gonna go from here to here on both sides. And then we are also gonna put a pipe from here to here. And this is not gonna be welded in. We're gonna have, it's gonna be bolted on. So, because of course, if I have to take out the tranny, it needs to slide out. So what this will do was basically support this, because even now, if I put the jack under here to lift up the car, you can tell this actually still moves. So we're just going to support it. Usually there's supposed to be a engine plate right here. I didn't put one. I'm doing something else. So I have some other ideas, but I definitely still want this to be supported here. This will be bolted on. And then for right now, that's what we're going to do tomorrow. Get that welded. I'll put the engine back on because I have one more event I would like to go to. S1 built. They make a lot of all-wheel drive parts for Hondas, and they're having an event in May, and I would like to take the car there just to showcase where it is. After that, that will be the last outing for this car, the way it looks like this. That's what I would like. I mean, there's no reason to keep taking it out. We'll have to take the transmission back out, get the other one built, or send that one. I just need the side covers for this. I can still keep it as a roller. Get that, take it out, get that built, support the body, fix the body, support it more here. You can see it's kind of, this is not a good spot. May need to brace it right here and right here, and then figure out how to put the fenders on. The fenders are really heavy. I want to make them fiberglass. I'm not sure. I don't know. It's a big project. This is all a big project, but I still wanted to give you guys a quick update on it. You know, get the body work going on, try to get the fenders on. Once I can get the fenders on, I can start working on the wing. Once I can start working on the wing, we can work on the windows, and then all the tabs for the windows, and cut a little bit more inside the body, you know, fill all the rust holes, fill that in, and then figure out if we're, you know, to paint it and stuff. The car still needs sheet metal inside. So there's going to be another one here. I got to put a plate here, another plate going that way to cover anything from back forward, you know, in case anything were to happen, fuel, etc. So I have to figure that out. I'm not sure how to actually, I'm not sure. So I just need to cover everything. So I might have to buy a couple more tools to do the sheet metal work and figure it out. So yeah, this will be, I think this one, it will be removable. I'm not really going to remove that one. The other side really needs to be removable because there's a lot more stuff going on over there. The EGT sensors, the Fuel Tech EGT sensors, and the fuel pump, the fuel filter, couple lines and all that stuff. So this needs to be removable, maybe with some Seuss fasteners in case I need to get back here, and some wheel tubs. And do I do the wheel tubs? I'm not sure. So we'll figure it out. Allergies are kicking in like crazy. So that's that. Here's the engine. Update on this. I mean, it does turn on. So I just need somebody to, I did a leak down check and everything's pretty good. I need to figure out the belt does slip, so it needs to be tightened a little bit more. Need to figure out if I'm going to keep the stock water pump. The oil pan needs to go. It needs to be baffled, so I have to find a baffled oil pan, because right now it's not baffled. You know, these engines are not supposed to be here. So the engine, all the oil, once the car launches, all the oil is going to go to number one side, and then there's not going to be oil for the bearings on, I'm just going to say 2 to 4, or maybe 3 to 4. So once it's baffled, hopefully that helps. We can figure that out when that time comes. Hopefully it works. If not, I will need to put an oil system on here, make it dry sump, and go from there. So just want to give you guys an update on this crazy car. I know it's been a while. It's not really doing much. It does take a lot of money and funds, and there's no sponsorship for this. So all myself, like a lot of racers do. But she is coming along. I didn't forget about it. I did for a little bit. I needed a break, and just to start the hobby shop stuff. So that's what we got going on. Now we're going to the hobby shop, or my shop, whatever it is, whatever you guys want to call it. I'll show you all the new stuff that I got going on, so you guys, if you're interested, you can buy it. All right, guys, we're at the shop. Got a lot of stuff. Got my old school HPIR 4 nitro power. I got an X-ray that I'm selling. We have some Champion Design. Oh, Team Associate 28 scale drag cars. So I just got these in 8 scale. This is an X-ray. I just got this F-150. I'm sorry, 450 RC truck, which is pretty gnarly. It's going to be on our website, oghobbiesrc.com. If you're interested, it'll be on there shortly. Customer car. This is a Express Drag DR1S. I'm doing alignment on it. Upgraded the top deck just to give it a little bit more stiffness up top for the power. Upgrade the wheelie bar. So that's about it. He's going to run a castle system on this. So Express sells these cars as a drag car. So we have that in stock also. So here's the truck. HPI Maverick, I upgraded to a castle system, copper. F1 through racing, that's going to be actually for sale. They don't make these anymore. Another ARC, Tamiya through racing stuff, another 8 scale car. That one is a Serpent. That will be for sale also. So check out either our eBay store or on our website for that. Got the crawlers. This one is a Capricorn, and then a couple of this other stuff here. All this stuff is on our website. Some of it, if it's not, just email us, ortizgarage12@gmail.com. I'll have that. But got all kinds of stuff going on here. Remotes. Another Serpent. This car's actually pretty good. It's ready to run. Serpent makes it. I think it comes with like a 9-turn motor. But if, you know, that's for mod class. But if you want to run a 21.5, swap that out, put a 21.5 motor in it, and then you're good to go. So that's also for sale. I put 4 slicks on it. That's a Traxxas Fiesta Rally car with an upgraded Hobby Wing system too. SET system, Max 10, easy run. So it's a combo setup, basically brand new. That will either be on our eBay store. Look up OG Hobbies or OG Hobbies RC on our eBay store. So there's my tie pin. A couple things. So just want to give you guys a quick update on this. Not a quick video. We do have an event in this week, actually. All right, guys, as you've seen, Julian came and did some fabrication for me on the drag car. So really quick, what we did, we actually supported this cradle. I call it a cradle cage. That's going to go, let me zoom out a little bit. You see it goes over the engine. This will support it because eventually the engine mounts are going to be bolted onto this. So we are going to support the engine to this, to that. And then in case it does twist, we have this support. So it doesn't. So a little bit upgrade, yeah, scratch with paint. A lot of more things are going to happen. So we're going to keep welding. So on the other hand, too, the other part, we wanted, or I wanted to support the chassis from the bottom to the top. So since this is a swing axle and not IRS, you know, in case something happens to transmission or I need to take it out. Sorry, my alarm went off. So this needs to be removable. So we ended up getting some tabs here. I went to Fisher Buggies. They had these tabs. He welded that in for me. I ordered more chromoly. So I'm going to drill right here, drill here. So we have 2 bolts. And then what's that going to do in case the car does do a wheelie, or even the transition from the power, the bottom of the chassis is not going to be pushed up. So it's not, hopefully it'll stop it from flexing. So we're going to, that'll support that. That's a really tight fit he did for me. I really appreciate that from Julian. I will actually put his IG in the description, so you guys can check out his work and what he does. But yeah, he came through, got that taken care of. More things, we need to panel up the car. We got one more car show event. I'm not sure if I mentioned it. We're going to take the drag car there, show it off. And then after that, we are going to strip it again, get the transmission built. We still have to support the transmission to the chassis up top, so we have an idea of how to do that, since I didn't do another plate here like I did over there. So hopefully you guys like it. Now we're gonna have to put this back in there and then do it all over again, set the car down, do a couple more things before S1's car show. And then yeah, hope you liked the video. Thumbs up.